Welcome to FaceTime video calls. FaceTime lets you see and talk to friends and family face-to-face, no matter how far apart you are. FaceTime works between Apple devices over Wi-Fi or cellular data. It's completely free, no matter where in the world the other person is. Open the FaceTime app and tap the plus sign to start a new call. Type a name, phone number, or email address of someone with an Apple device. Tap the video button to start a video call, or the phone button for audio only. Wait for the other person to answer, then start talking. During a FaceTime call, you'll see the other person on most of your screen. Your own image appears in a small window in the corner. Tap anywhere on the screen to see the controls. You can mute your microphone, turn off your camera, flip between front and back cameras, or end the call. FaceTime also works in group calls with up to 32 people. Start a call, then tap Add Person to include more friends and family in the conversation. If someone FaceTimes you, you'll see a notification. Tap Accept to answer with video, or tap the phone icon to answer with audio only. You're now ready for face-to-face conversations anywhere. FaceTime is perfect for staying close to loved ones near and far.